First of all, I want to say sorry for the computer voice. I have no capability to record normal voice. I live in Hanoi, Vietnam, and there is noisy everywhere. Even in our apartment we rent, I listen some sounds of the street or neighbors' voices. So, good morning, good day or evening for everyone who visit my YouTube channel, and this is my video about digital camera Lumix DMC-S1 from Panasonic. A few days ago I have got two cameras, Panasonic Lumix DMC-S1 and SONY CyberShot, both 12.1 megapixels and with 4x optical zoom. I decided that Panasonic Lumix 12.1 megapixels should be the first video project for this channel. I'm not really patient and disassembled the Lumix camera before taking the video, but I took away all the parts of camera to separate bags and save it to the carton box. Now I show you everything from there. We are taking out camera parts from the box and assessing the part condition. I take out plastic body first. The Lumix camera is pink color. The body is in good condition generally. If we decide to restore for the new condition, I need just to polish a little. Zoom unit and a paper packet with the little screws I ejected from the camera's body. The paper packet also contains SD original Panasonic memory card and rubbish USB interface cover. The bigger paper packet contains camera's main board with battery and SD card receiver. From the carton box is the original Panasonic Lumix battery and chassis, the metal bones of Panasonic Lumix camera. There is a flexible cable and the button interface unit. And there is original labeled Panasonic DSC-S1. Finally, I show you 3 inches back screen. Enjoy beautiful music, and good luck. you can see the connection of the lens and camera's mainboard. I think the water from the sea came inside and after the time destroyed the camera.